today on the canopy and a fridge. And then I'll be doing one tomorrow on the, what am I doing tomorrow? The battery system.
Yeah.
So we'll have a look at that. I've got the guy actually talking about it. So welcome to another episode of Sergeant Nurse.
Go off-roading in the middle of the city.
Yeah. Oh, you're filming your end, yeah? You idiot. You got to look at the big screen. Yeah. All right.
Pro as ever.
Canopy. Car's a bit dirty. Sorry about that. Well, it's a true off-roader. If it's dirty, isn't it? If it's clean, it's a mole crawler. Anyway. So with the canopy, I did order the genuine premium canopy first back in September. I think, yeah, all right, director. And then I changed my mind because I did some research and then, Alba, back here. And then I went for the ARB Ascent. And then I found out ARB aren't releasing it until June. That's the rumours anyway, because I needed central locking. And I wanted the roof rails up here to put another platform. You can come closer and take a shot.
There's no sun over here.
Yeah, so I needed to I'm going to put another platform up there for the 270-degree awning. So I then, obviously, I didn't know Mazda had ordered that and then didn't cancel the order, and it arrived 2 weeks ago, and I cancelled the ARB order and went with this one because it suited my needs, and I needed a canopy because it was getting wet, and a wet dog's like a drowned rat and they smell. So anyway, you're right. Yeah. So this is the premium canopy. It's central locking, and it's a lot better than what I anticipated. I did some research on EGR, and I didn't think that they were going to be that great, but Mazda and EGR who manufacture these, did a great job. These big windows here, and around here's a button. So you just press the button and it opens. And the space ain't too bad. I don't mind it. It's pretty good. The only thing I have a problem with is Alba, and I had to buy a fan. So that's the central locking there. That lifts up, that lifts down, and at the back corner there is a fan for Alba, which just plugs into the power in the back there for when he needs it. I'll try and get some vents or something put in later down the track. So yeah, central locking looks good. Dust seal will go on. Mazda's got that to put on yet, the dust seal. That will help stop fumes getting in the back, and obviously water, dust and all that. What else happened? Oh, I bought a fridge. Bought a fridge. So home of the 12 volt, had a good deal on the Evercool, and it's a 85 litre. So yeah, Evercool fridge. Albert's just got sticks and stabbing Jane with them. So the best thing I like about these fridges, they've got a good brand. They're Australian company, not Australian made. 25 years or something they've been in the business for. But the best thing I like about this is you can open it up from both sides. So this is yeah. Or if you're minimised with space, you just open that up. This is the first time Jane's seen it. And then you got your baskets. So this side's the freezer.
I was going to say, is that the freezer?
Yeah, this side's the freezer, and the other side is just the fridge.
That is very cool.
And it's all Bluetooth. So if you come around here, Jane.
What do you mean? Bluetooth?
Oh, so you can run it through your phone, the temperatures.
Oh my God.
This one is set at -18, the freezer. So if you go like that, it tells you where it's set at. If you hold it down, you can adjust it. That's at its lowest, -18. You can go -17, so that's the freezer part. And you press it again, and that's the fridge part. That's at -2. We'll just go to -1, and it's done.
And so, hang on, how does that plug in then? Like, where
So, yes, so with the power, I've already told our viewers about. We've got power outlets. You've got the Anderson plug going in. You've got 2 points there, and you got another 2 USB points there, or 4 actually. And now this is hooked up to the lithium. So this didn't take long to cool down. So it took 10 minutes to go down. And I've got the Bluetooth shunt for the lithium, and you can actually monitor your lithium battery through the Bluetooth app. So it shows you how much you're drawing when you're out bush and how many days you got left in your battery before you have to switch your... So there we are there. So that's it there, drawing the power there. And I've only got the fridge on it.
So how long does the lithium battery take to charge up?
Not long. Quicker than the deep cycle ones that they sell now. So come around here, I'll show you.
Charge while you're driving?
Yes, yeah, it charges while you're driving.
So it's like-
But so that says we've got a day and a half left if we keep running the fridge like it is.
Okay.
And then we're going to have lights and all that. So what you do is, not so much today, but if you've got a sunny day, I bought this,
Ooh.
a solar blanket kit from Projector. So all this stuff I got from Home of the 12 Volt the other day, the fridge and the solar blanket. That's it. That's the blanket. That was $400 on special at Home of the 12 Volt. Home of the 12 Volt at Paraka. And the fridge was $1,200, so I paid full price. The fridge was actually on special as well. For an 85 litre fridge, that's pretty good. And it's at temperature now. Oh no, the freezer's still going. Still got a bit to go because we've driven all that way from out bush.
Driven all that 5 minutes. from
Yeah,
the front door.
we're just up the road. Again, we've had busy schedules this week to do anything. But anyway, so we're right for fridge and freezer when we go away. So that's good.
Awesome.
Bottles of wine.
Barbecue and beer. Set.
Yeah.
What do you
Um,
think, Albert?
So tell me what your thoughts are. I was going to look at getting a tray slide, but I don't want to now. I've done some research and it takes up a lot of room. You lose a lot of space. So I don't know what Albert's doing. He's getting excited. Anyway, so I'm thinking about just getting a fridge slide put on, which I need to because Jane can't reach. And so it comes out to out there, or a bit further. A fridge slide on. And I think we'll just keep our gear in boxes, our front runner
Yeah.
camp boxes, and bring them out. Because otherwise Alba loses.
Boy.
Yeah, well, Alba loses the room. There's no point in a drawer. But tell me what you think. I mean, put some comments in what you think about that. But I think I'm just going to get a fridge slide put in, the dust seal, and we'll see how we go. Because when we go on big trips, we'll take the camper trailer.
Yeah.
But that's done. Canopy, we're getting there. So, yeah,
We are.
yeah.
Now we just need to go somewhere.
Yeah, we just need to go somewhere.
Time. Go somewhere.
Yeah. When's that going to happen?
Go away.
Maybe we can go away for a overnight or somewhere soon.
Well, that might be a good idea, I think.
Yeah. But very happy. But no, pretty stoked. Pretty stoked with the fridge. That I think that's I've researched them a bit. I looked at the angles. They're a bit out of my price range. I mean, 85 litres for $1,200. That's pretty good.
And that's all we'd need, isn't it?
Yeah. Did you, Alba? So, just a quick video about the I'll do another one tomorrow. I'm visiting Home of the 12 Volt, and we'll talk about the technical specs crap about the battery because I don't know anything about that. So he's agreed to come on to our show.
Our first guest star.
Yeah, our first VIP star.
How cool.
I don't even know his name. So anyway,
But he'll be good.
Yeah, he'll be good. Yeah, catch you later.
See you later.
Hit subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.
Bye.